Guys, good afternoon. It is about 2:30 here as we record this video Tuesday afternoon in a rather cloudy day across central Indiana, and that is really helping to keep temperatures down. Current temperature is actually only in the middle and upper 70s across most reporting sites across central Indiana, officially 75 degrees as of the 2 o'clock hour at Indianapolis, 76 in Zionsville, and then really a host of additional readings in the middle and upper 70s. Overall, a mostly cloudy afternoon will continue. A couple of showers are possible, but not any sort of widespread rain expected this afternoon. What we wanted to talk about is how forecast models are continuing to really kind of converge on a scenario that's going to promise to bring rather widespread rainfall in here late Thursday night into the day on Friday. And really, the only model now that is an outlier would be the European model that still keeps most of the heavy rainfall south and southwest of central Indiana. That said, the NAM, the GFS, the Canadian, all are in agreement on rather widespread moderate to heavy rainfall. And by moderate to heavy, we're thinking probably widespread soaking rains of 3/4 to 1.5 inches across the majority of central Indiana, with some locally heavier totals. Again, most of that will fall Thursday night into Friday. We do note that we also will have scattered showers and thunderstorms around Wednesday and Thursday. It's just the widespread soaking rains can be expected late Thursday into Friday, the way we see things playing out right now. So we'll start with the latest NAM and put this into motion, and note that an area of low pressure will organize just to the west of our region late Wednesday into Thursday, and this is going to push east-southeast with time as we move forward into the day Friday. And as such, we're going to notice an axis of moderate to heavy rain that will pivot east into central Indiana, again late Thursday into Friday, and it's going to be a rather widespread, good soaking rain. I know a lot of lawns and golf courses out there are needing one of these good soaking rains, and then we don't see this that often this time of year, so we'll definitely take that. Let's take a look at some latest rainfall totals off of some of the different forecast models. This is the Canadian forecast model showing that axis of heavy rain right through the heart of the state. The Canadian model is suggesting anywhere from 2 to 2.5 inches of rain, most of which will fall Friday. As we take a look at the latest GFS model, pretty much in agreement. The official 12Z number out of the GFS for Indianapolis would show right around 1.5 inches of rain, most of which again falls Friday. So go to your forecast from IndyWX.com that we posted this morning. Scattered showers will continue Tuesday through Thursday. A little bit better coverage expected Wednesday as a disturbance moves along the front, sagging south into the area, and then we'll continue to hit Friday with a rather widespread rainfall event. The 79-degree reading actually may be a little too warm on Friday, especially if we keep clouds and rain around through the majority of the day. Actually, most of the temperatures will most likely remain in the 60s Friday with all those clouds and rain around, so we may have to take that down in our future updates. We still think, though, the weekend turns dry and increasingly sunny, warmer as well as we get back to near seasonable levels over the weekend. Guys, have a wonderful afternoon. We appreciate you logging on to IndyWX.com. We'll talk with you soon.